Hello dear children, welcome back to this video class. Children, did you watch the previous video? I hope you watched. Today, before we start the class, shall we play a game? Yes, it is a game time. I will show some pictures to you. You have to choose the yearly calculating devices from those pictures. Are you ready children? Yes. Your time starts now. I have given 4 pictures here. You have to find out the yearly calculating devices. And you have to think about the name of the device also. Time up. The answers are cowries and stones. The first one is abacus and the last one is Napier's bones. These two are an example of mechanical counting devices. Very good dear children. Okay. In the last class we learnt about early calculating devices and mechanical counting devices. Today we are going to learn some new concepts. The first one is electromechanical counting devices. Lot of electromechanical counting devices are there. Let us see one by one. The first one is Pascaline. In the year 1642, French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline, regarded as the first calculator of the world. It was the first mechanical calculator that could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The first Pascaline could only handle 5-digit numbers, but later Pascal developed 6 and 8 digits versions of the Pascaline. Pascaline had a box with movable wheels called dials. The numbers for calculations were entered with these dials only. Next one is Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, modified the Pascal calculator in the year 1673 and developed a machine called Leibniz calculator. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It could also find square roots of a given number. Next one is Jacquard loom. In 1801, a French textile weaver named Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a way of automatically controlling a thread or a silk loom. It had a long row of wooden cords in which a series of holes punched into it in a pattern. It is called punched cords. The loom could automatically read the designs from the punched cords and weave accordingly. This loom was known as Jacquard loom. Babbage engines. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822 which was called as difference engine. In the year 1823, he designed a machine that could do complicated calculations and stored the results at each stage. It was called the analytical engine. It was the first mechanical digital computer. So, Charles Babbage is called as the father of computers. Children, who is called as the father of computers? Yes, Charles Babbage is called as the father of computers. Very good children. The next one is Boolean logic. The British mathematician and philosopher George Boole designed the Boolean logic. That means here they will use only true or false values, which became the fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. The next concept is electronic counting devices. Halrich's census machine. In 1889, an American named Herman Halrich invented a counting machine to count the population of United States of America. It was one of the main electronic counting devices and it was based on punched cards. He was the founder of the company that became famous as IBM. In which device we already used punched cards? Yes, we used punched cards in Jacquard Loom. Very good, children. The next concept is modern calculating devices or computers. Major developments took place in the 20th and the early 21st centuries. Let us discuss. The first digital electronic computer, ABC. The first computer prototype to use vacuum tubes instead of mechanical switches was built by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry. It was called Atanasoff-Berry computer, that is ABC. It used the binary number system like a modern computer. Binary number system means we will use only zeros and ones. The next one is Z3. Z3 was an electromechanical computer designed by Konrad Zuse. It was the first working programmable fully automatic computing machine. Mark I. Howard Aiken was the man to develop the computer that ran on electricity. It was known as Mark I. Mark I computer was built in partnership between Howard and IBM. Who was the founder of IBM? Yes, Herman Holrith was the founder of IBM. This Mark I was the general purpose computer which was as big as a hall, 8 feet in height and 51 feet in length. The machine weighed 5 tons and had 500 miles of wire. This was the first programmable digital computer made in the United States. The picture which I given here is the computer Mark I. ENIAC. In 1946, the first fully electronic computer, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, that is ENIAC, was invented by John Presper Eckert and John Maudsley. It was considerably larger and could do hundreds of calculations in a second. Then UNIVAC. Maudsley and Eckert later developed the UNIVAC, that is Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first commercial computer developed in 1951. Dear children, I hope you enjoyed and understood the concepts which I taught today. Let me meet you in the next video class. Thank you, children.